to 500,000 young kids who actually form the workforce of our country in accidents both on land and water. So it occurred to me that if I created a huge bank of lifesavers, no matter where an accident victim falls, there'd be somebody knowledgeable who will attend to him effectively and gainfully. And that is what it's all about. I attract the people to become lifesavers through life-saving sports.
Surf Lifesaving is an organization from Australia which is working with Rashtriya Lifesaving Society India to promote these beach activities in India. It brings the youth every week to the coast, to the beaches, and trains them in sea swimming, beach rescues, and a lot of different games.
This is the 14th year that we are organizing this event, and we have about 300 people with us.
What Rashtriya Lifesaving Society is doing is an amazing job in promoting first aid training and surf lifesaving competitions where people are coming to learn and take part as a sport as well.
In India, there is no surf clubs as of now. So if we can bring about India's first few surf lifesaving clubs in prominent beaches where we can train the local people in swimming and other activities, this will propagate aquatic education in the coast of India, and we can bring about safe beaches and safe beach culture in India.
If I tell somebody like you, for instance, to come and learn life-saving, and I start my lectures in a classroom, after a few minutes you'll say, thank you very much. If something happens to me, c'est la vie. We are very fatalistic in our attitude. Bhagwan karega to chalega. Vaise, I'll carry on and don't worry about it. We lack safety consciousness as a community. We think it's never going to happen to us, but it happens because accidents don't give you warning. They come to you unannounced and without warning whatsoever.
It's no point if you learn swimming and not life-saving, because it is really important. If you go on the beaches, there are incidents, so you need life-saving for that. And if you don't know the techniques, how are you going to help someone?
And every time somebody does something good and a doctor sees what has been done, they want to know, where have you learned all this? And they say, it's life-saving. And we learnt it from Rashtriya Lifesaving Society, India, that's been there for last 20 years, exhorting people, young people, to learn the basics of life-saving so that they can help a victim. What is a lifesaver? He knows at least 30 protocols of first aid. He knows life-saving. Life-saving is in water what is first aid on land. He knows the tricks, how to deal with the person, recognize the victim, approach him, rescue him, and then revive him. That's called life-saving.